Hi guys, welcome to my home. I'm Bianca Jade. I'm a health and wellness TV and digital host. This is my home in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and I'm going to show you around. So right now we are in my kitchen. Obviously, like this first floor, there's no walls. So it just lends itself to like everything kind of like happening centrally around the kitchen. I did months of researching to design my dream kitchen island. I wanted something large enough that if my entire family was here, we could all stand or sit around the kitchen island. And the other thing is that I cook a lot with my fiance, so a big kitchen can save a relationship. That's all I'm gonna say. So my living room is right opposite the kitchen, and I'm all about minimalism, at least trying not to be so cluttered. This is also Frida's lounging area. Today's actually the first day that I have opened these doors up, so it's really cool that you guys are here. They are probably the top reason why I bought this place. Right up here, we put this really funky chandelier, which has Edison bulbs. So if I ever have to change those bulbs, I'm screwed. So this is my office area, and it's probably my favorite spot here at home because I do work from home primarily, and I love that it's like just a little nook here and that it's right underneath this amazing work of art that my friend Peter Mannion did. I just feel like it complements my Hoek Home desk perfectly. Frida has her little bed under here, so she hangs out under there while I work. I'm a book girl, and so having like a bunch of my favorite books that have influenced me throughout my professional life, but also my personal life. So this is the second floor of my duplex, and really the apartment is kind of like a studio, if you will, because there's no defined bedroom. It's all open. But yeah, when you live with a guy, as a woman, the thing you really have to be careful about is not to make your space like overly feminine, because it's not really fair to them, you know? But we're trying to kind of like keep it neutral as well, to make it like a space where we both feel like it's ours together. Thanks for coming to check out my home here in Williamsburg, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.